Welcome to NOHKNET Learning English. This channel helps you improve your English listening skills effectively. Today, let's listen to a reading passage about making a restaurant reservation. Listen carefully and try to understand the key details. Making a restaurant reservation. Eating out at a restaurant is a great way to enjoy a meal with friends and family. However, to avoid long wait times, it is often a good idea to make a reservation in advance. To book a table, the first step is to call the restaurant or make an online reservation. The customer provides their name, the number of guests, and the date and time they would like to dine. Some restaurants also ask whether the customer prefers indoor or outdoor seating. In addition to choosing a seating area, customers may have special requests. Some people have dietary restrictions, such as vegetarian or gluten-free preferences, so they inform the restaurant in advance. Others may request a table with a specific view or a quiet area for a special occasion. Once the reservation is confirmed, the restaurant staff prepares the table and ensures that everything is ready before the guests arrive. Making a reservation helps both the customer and the restaurant by ensuring a smooth and enjoyable dining experience. How much did you understand from this passage? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NOHKNET Learning English for more useful English lessons. See you in the next video.